yeah, I have lipstick on my teeth. That's amazing, Deborah. Wonderful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Deborah. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the beautiful Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And I mean, look at these colors. I just feel like this palette screams summer. And it also has my name written all over it because I love bright colors. Because as we all know, I am a clown at heart. So we are going to be doing a nice little look today, but we are also doing a giveaway. And by we, I mean me. So I'm giving away a brand new one of these palettes because I got two, one for myself and one for one of you guys. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at Deborah_Jen. And I will post a link to my Instagram in the description box below. And there may be a special little code word hidden somewhere in this video. So be sure to watch till the end and pay attention. And if you get the code word right, you will get bonus entries, my dear. Oh god, I got oh, jeez. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to go. Did I have something in my tooth that whole time? I hope not. Anyways, I'm gonna go do an eye off camera, and I'm gonna sweat my brains out too because it's like 1,000 degrees in here. Ugh. And then I will be right back to hang out with you guys. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and better than ever, darling. And as you can see, this eye is done. So we're gonna get right into the other eye, shall we? We shall. Woo! Okay, so we are prepping the eye today with the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. Ooh, I don't know if that focused or not. Whatever, though. And I'm just going to... Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. I just got played. Anywho's, I'm going to zoom you in so you can see, okay? I also might cut this out. I don't know. I never know what I'm going to do. But I'm going to carve out the brows with the Morphe M224 brush and this Tarte concealer. And then I may or may not be right back. Or I might just stay here the whole time. I don't know. Oh, but it is 1,000 degrees in here. I have the door open right now. And I just really hope there's no bugs coming in. I don't know if you guys watch my Instagram stories or care about me at all. But the other day, I was in the kitchen and a giant spider was just roaming about. So I killed it. You know, I remained fairly calm. Screamed at the top of my lungs, but, you know, stayed calm. Yeah, so I killed it. I flushed it down the toilet. And then I came back and a giant moth was flying around. Like, why me, Lord? Why me? Anyways. That's my story about bugs. And did I even explain why I just told that? So the door is open. I have to leave the door open so it doesn't get like 1,000 bajillion degrees in here. My nose itches. Don't mind me, I'm just picking my nose. But I have to leave the door open to control the temperature in this bitch. And that brings bugs, obviously. Just gonna tap the base down to smooth it out with a pure blurring concealer brush. Okay, now that our lid is prepped and primed, we're going to go in with the Jawbreaker palette. Ooh. Ah. We did not set the eyeshadow base, just in case you were wondering. I mean, you've been sitting here, but we are going to go in with the color Good Morning on a Smith 232 brush. And we're just going to use this as our transition shade, mademoiselle. So you just want to start in the outer corner and work it in. It's a nice light shade, just to get some color starting to lay down. You feel me, boy? Blee? I miss Sunny Boy. Do you guys miss Sunny Boy? I feel like I haven't mentioned Sunny Boy in so long. I miss him. Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll maybe insert a clip. Sunny Boy. Okay, now that the transition shade is laid down, we're gonna move right into some fun colors. So the first bright color we're gonna take in is the color Bubblegum. And we are taking that in on a Smith 247 brush. Oh, my nose itches. I just love these Smith brushes. They are pricey. I know, like I longed for them for years before I actually bought them. And I actually didn't buy them for myself. They were a birthday gift. So that's really the only reason that I own them. But they are so beautiful and they really are better. I hate to say it. I wish I was sponsored, my God. But no, they are better. They just are better. I feel like I'm not very chatty today. Actually, okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. I feel like I've been talking a lot, but... Okay, now that bubblegum is laid down, we're going to go in with the color Cherry Wet. That wet. And we're going to take that in on a Smith 230 brush. We're going to keep this color a little bit lower in the crease. And, oh God, these colors blend like a dream. I really love Jeffree Star's eyeshadows. Man, they are beauteous. Whew, it is a trillion degrees in here. I'm dying, nope. Oh God, I keep feeling like I need to sneeze and it won't happen. Help. Okay, now we're gonna darken up the outer corner of the eye with a touch of raspberry. Oh, and it smells like shit in here. It smells like a skunk. I wonder if someone's smoking the devil's lettuce. So we're taking raspberry in on a Morphe M507 brush, and we're just tapping that into the outer portion of the lid, keeping that color quite low. We just want to darken up that outer color, darling. Ooh, I am working up a sweat. It's also a billion degrees, so I guess we're just gonna have to deal with it. Okay, now that the shadows are laid down, we're gonna cut this dang crease, which always makes me so nervous because I'm like, oh my God, what if I mess up everything I just worked so hard to do? It's okay. We're gonna get through this together, one step at a time. One step at a time. Okay, so we're cutting the crease with the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. Bam! And we're using our same Morphe M224 brush. Might mix it in a little bit with the Morphe M421 brush. It's just a smaller version. Whew, okay, so say a prayer to the cut crease gods. And then just plop that concealer down. And then look up. Oh God, I knew it wasn't gonna do it. I knew it. Look up. And then that transfer line is where you cut your crease. And we're only doing a half cut today, which is so much easier than doing a full cut. I'm going to take the Morphe M421 brush just to make sure we got the detail work right. Woo! My butt is sweaty. Betty sweaty. Okay, you know, the crease is gonna be, it's cut. It always comes out so much worse when I'm doing it on camera, but whatever. We are going to try not to disturb the crease cutting, and we are going to lay down Cherry Wet on the outer corner just to blend it in. We're gonna tap that down with a Morphe M326 brush, just on the very outer edge of that base, just to start blending it back out. Then we're gonna go in with the color Cotton Candy on a Luxie 245 brush, and we're gonna lay that over the middle part of the lid. Now we're gonna take the color Schnack, because you're looking like a whole schnack. And we're gonna lay that on the inner portion of the eye with the Alamar Cosmetics Flat Shader Brush. And you just wanna make sure that blends in to the other colors. So drag it over the edges so there's no line of demarcation, darling. And we're gonna go back over the outer corner of the crease cut with the raspberry shade on a Morphe M326 again, just to make sure everything is nice and blended. And just blending it out with a Morphe M507. Whew, it is hot in here. So hot in here. This eye looks like it's way bigger than this eye. Okay, we're just gonna move right along because I can't fix the way my face looks. I really can't. Ooh. It is hot in here though, my God. So, we are going to go in to the lower lash line. And I really am sweating up a dang storm. Ooh, I always feel like it's weird when I talk and my mouth isn't in the frame, so I'm so sorry if that was weird for you. Anyways, we are taking the Tarte Shape Tape in Light again, just a touch. And we're just putting that a little bit under our eyes. We're not doing like our whole face yet. So we're just starting to prep the lower lash line. I was like, wait, what's it called? And then I'm tapping it out with the Alamar, this fluffy brush from Alamar. I guess it doesn't have a name. And you don't want to mess up this outer edge, so just be really careful around that and just tap the concealer in very lightly. Now we're taking that raspberry color in on a Morphe M326 brush, and we're just going to press that into the lower lash line, keeping it as close to the lash line as possible, and connecting it to the outer corner here. Oh my god, my eye's watering. Woo! Okay, now we're gonna take the color Bubblegum in on a Morphe E36 brush, darling. And we're gonna dust that right below the last shade, just to start buffing these colors out, making them look pretty and stuff. You get it. You get it. And we're going to take the color Good Morning in on a Morphe, oh god, I'm so sweaty, Morphe E18 brush, and dust that even lower under the eyes. Sunny boy. We're going to take the Morphe M507 brush we were using before. We're not going to put any more product on it, but we are just going to sweep it under the eye to blend everything out. And that looks pretty bad right now, but we will clean that up in just a bit, okay? It'll all come together when we get our foundation and concealer on, etc. Okay, so I'm just going to line the lash line with the L'Oreal Carbon Black Linear Intense. Just drawing a simple line on the lash line just so our falsies don't show a gap when we pop them on. Woo! Okay, my butt is really, really sticking to this chair. It's like, it's really, really gross down here. There's so much noise. There's just so much noise. Okay, thank you, Mr. Helicopter. Oh my god, it's so hot. Now I'm going to tight line with the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner in Blacker, just to make sure we don't see any gaps in our lashes. This is essential. Honestly, I would never skip this step in a million years. Oh my god, I'm poking my eye though. Woo! Okay, I'm sweaty AF. So I'm just gonna put some mascara on these beach. We're gonna go in with a Double Decker London mascara. I don't think that's what it was called. The Double Decker by Butter London. That's what it is. Sorry to confuse you, darling. Okie dokie, artichoke. So, our eyes are freaking done, people. I mean, that was pretty quick. I'm gonna go do my face off camera. Oh my god, it's so hot. And then I will be right back. Ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-bum. Just kidding, people. Woo! I forgot to do the inner corner. I knew I was forgetting something. I mean, obviously. Jesus. Okay, we're gonna just put some inner corner zhuzh up on this beach. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put some of the color Jawbreaker in the inner corner using a Sigma E30 brush, and you can use code DeborahJen at checkout on SigmaBeauty.com to save yourself some monies, boy. And we're just going to tap that into the inner corner. Easy peasy. But we're also going to put a little bit of the color Cotton Candy on the inner corner of the lower lash line with a Makeup Shack T58 brush, just to add a little zhuzh, you know what I'm saying? Just a little zhuzh and a little pizzazz. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now we are done with the eyes. I know I don't have lashes on yet, but I will do that when we come back. I like to do lashes after foundation, otherwise I get foundation all over my lashes and it's a whole mess. So, I'm gonna go do my face off camera, then I'll be right back. Wee. Okay guys, so I'm back, and better than ever. And as you can see, my shirt is dusty, and I am baking. So my face is all done, and I am testing out the Juvia's Place foundation, so that video will be up relatively soon. So if you want to see how I like it, I'll put that in the description below when it's ready. So far, this foundation is looking very full coverage and very smooth and beautiful. And I'm also wearing my favorite highlighter of the moment, the Il Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter in Diamonds, if you care. So, let's just pop on lashes and then we are done with this makeup look. I mean, I obviously have to do my hair. I look like a bag of potatoes, but that is neither here nor there. Gotta get these crusty lips in line. Woo! Okay, so we are going in with a nice dramatic lash today, the Cocoa Lashes in 5th Ave. And I'm just gonna pop these on real quick using the House of Lashes glue. So I'm gonna pop these suckers on and I'll be right back. Shiny boy. Okay, people, so our lashes are on, and I really like these lashes. My god. Okay, that really, like, popped off on this look. Am I right, or am I right? So we are gonna finish this look off with some lippity stickity, and I do have all the Jawbreaker collection lipsticks, but I don't want to use one for this video because I'm going to do swatches in a video that I'm recording in a few minutes. So I'm going to leave that for that video, and for this video, I don't know why I'm doing it this way, but it's happening and just deal with it. For this video, I'm going to use the lipstick. I'm going to use ColourPop's Lippy Pencil in Grind and their Lippy Sticks in Heart On. So I'm going to line my lips and pop on this lippity stickity, and I'll be right back in a jiff. Okay, so our lips are done, people, party people. So I guess that's it for this video. I really like this monochromatic thing we've got going on with the lips and the eyes, though. I mean, not to toot my own horn or anything, but like, beep beep. Okay, I'm going to go dust off this powder and go do my hair, and then I'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and my hair isn't cooperating, but we're just gonna move right past it because I do not have time. I'm thirsty and I'm hungry, and that's it. So I hope you like this Jawbreaker tutorial, and remember that I am doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a brand new one of these bad boys, and this is like, this might be Jeffree Star's best palette yet. I mean, I really love Blood Sugar, and Blue Blood is a great palette too, but this has like every color and just... So, I'm trying to open this door, it's too hot. As I was saying before I so rudely interrupted myself, my hair really does not look good right now. Okay, anyways. So, the code word for the giveaway is Sunny Boy, okay? And if you are an OG subscriber, not that my channel is like that old, but anyways, if you've been watching my videos, then you totally get the Sunny Boy reference. And if not, then maybe you should just go back and watch all my videos. I don't know. Seems like that would be a good idea. You know what I mean? So anyways, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because those are the giveaway rules. I don't know if I stated the full giveaway rules before, but the full giveaway rules are in the description below. So check those out. I try to make it pretty easy. I don't know, I'm just doing my best. So anyways, I'm really thirsty, like I said. I don't know why I suddenly got so dang thirsty, but I am. And I have to film the lip swatch video now, and I'll link that below, and I'll link this foundation review below. So far, I like it. Again, it's the Juvia's Place foundation. Oh my god, it's too hot and I'm wearing a long sleeve. So IG2G, I will TTYL, LYLAS, swag. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and subscribing and coming back to my channel and watching all my other videos and yada yada yada. It's been so super duper fun. I like can't imagine a more fun way to spend my time than hanging out with you guys. So like, thank you for hanging out with me. Okay, I'm really just losing my mind now. So I gotta go. Bye. How could I forget that I'm giving her an extra key? This time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Was it me? 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 Not to toot my own horn or anything, but like, beep beep, like this video. That seems like a good idea to me, so. Yeah, I have lipstick on my teeth. That's amazing, Deborah. Wonderful. Anyways, I'm not gonna re-record that. If you saw lipstick on my teeth, and I'm so sorry. I deeply apologize that you had to look at me in such a state. Goodbye. I said goodbye.